The mystery of time, the invisible river. Hello, young explorers. Today we are going to dive into something truly mysterious and magical. It's not something you can see, taste, touch, or smell. Yet, it shapes your every moment. What could it be? It's called time. Time is like a magic organizer. Have you ever wondered why breakfast comes before lunch, or why the sun rises before you go to school? Time helps sort everything so that not all things happen at once. It puts life into three magical buckets. The past. That's everything that's already happened. Like when you finished your homework yesterday or the day you first rode a bike. The present. That's what's happening right now. Like you, reading this story or listening along in class. The future. That's all the things that haven't happened yet. Like your next birthday party or your big soccer game this weekend. Part 1. The Arrow of Time. Why can't we go back? Have you ever dropped something, like a cookie, and watched it break? Did you wish you could turn back time and stop it from falling? Scientists say time is like an arrow. It flies forward and never backward. Imagine a perfect glass vase sitting high on a table. Oops, it slips and falls. What happens? Crash. Pieces everywhere. But have you ever seen a broken vase magically jump back together and fly up onto the table? Of course not. Time only moves forward, just like that falling vase. If you've ever scrambled eggs for breakfast, you know you can't turn your omelet back into an egg. The universe is a little like that, always moving from neat, an unbroken vase, a whole egg, to messy, shattered glass, scrambled eggs. This is called the arrow of time. There's no rewind button, and yesterday is forever in the past. Part 2. How do we measure it? Long before there were phones or watches, people looked to nature to keep track of time. A day is one full spin of the Earth. Every time the Earth spins all the way around, you get a new day, sunrise to sunset and back again. A year is one giant journey around the sun. Imagine the Earth running a big circle path through space. Every full trip takes 1 year. If you say you're 10 years old, you've zoomed around the sun 10 whole times. Part 3. The weird and wonderful side, time can stretch. Now, here's a super secret scientists have discovered. Time isn't the same everywhere. Wait, what? That's right. A super smart scientist named Albert Einstein found out that time can stretch and slow down. Imagine it like a rubber band. It isn't always the same length. If you could visit a place with super strong gravity, like near a black hole, time would move slower for you. Someone far away in space would be aging faster while you feel like everything is in slow motion. Or imagine being in a rocket ship, flying almost as fast as light. You would come back from your space trip and find that your friends might be much older than you. You would have aged less because to you, time ticked by more slowly. Conclusion. So what is time? It's an invisible river that sweeps us all along, moving from the past, through the present, into the future. We use clocks to measure it, but we can't see or grab it. It keeps going no matter what. And here's a secret for living wisely. Make the most of your time. Fill it with adventures, learning, and kindness, because the river is always flowing forward. Would you like to do a simple experiment at home? You can make a sundial using just a stick and the sun, and see time move right before your eyes. Try it out and become a true time explorer.